Are you using ChatGPT and getting boring robotic answers? Or worse, sorry, I don't understand? Then you're probably doing it wrong. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share 10 golden rules for writing prompts that actually work, and get you answers that are smart, helpful, and sometimes even mind-blowing. Stick around till the end for a bonus trick that'll 10x your results instantly. Let's go. All right. Rule number 1. Give clear context. Tell ChatGPT what's going on. Seriously. Just like a friend, AI needs a little background to help you properly. Say this: I'm preparing for a 9th grade biology test on human organs. Can you quiz me? See how specific that is. It instantly sets the stage. Rule 2. Be specific about output. Tell ChatGPT what you want back. A paragraph, a list, a summary. Say it clearly. Try this. List 5 one-line definitions of cell parts, like nucleus, mitochondria, etc. Or give me a summary in 100 words on the French Revolution. The more details, the better the answer. Rule 3. Avoid vague prompts. No more lazy prompts. Don't say, tell me about business. Do say, explain what a business model is with examples of famous companies. Vague in, vague out. Rule 4. Break it into steps. Break big stuff into small steps. ChatGPT is super smart, but even it likes things in chunks. Try, explain machine learning in 3 steps for a beginner. Or, help me write an email to my teacher. First draft the structure, then fill it in. Simple, step by step, powerful. Rule 5. Ask for examples. Don't just ask for theory, get examples. Want to make it real and relatable? Say, give 3 real-life examples of Newton's 3rd law in sports. Or, show how inflation affects daily life. Give 2 examples. Examples bring dry text to life. Rule 6. Choose a format. Tell it how to format the answer, like tables, lists, paragraphs. Just ask. Try, summarize World War II as a 3-row table, year, event, result. Or, list top 5 AI tools in bullet points with pros and cons. Now you're not just getting info, you're getting it organized. Rule 7. Assign the AI a role. Make ChatGPT play a role. Give it a job and watch it transform. Try, act like a resume expert, critique my resume. Or, pretend you're a software engineering interviewer, ask me 3 DSA questions. Boom. Instant context switch. Rule 8. Treat AI like a human assistant. Just talk like you would to your team intern. Be clear, be nice, be direct. Try, hey, I need a 2-minute speech on climate change. Write it like I'm presenting in school. Or, help me write a polite follow-up email for a job application I sent last week. Polite prompts equals polished responses. Rule 9. Refine and retry. Don't settle for the first answer. If the response is meh, change your prompt and go again. Example, don't write prompt like this. Explain gravity. Write prompt like this. Explain gravity in simple words using an apple and earth as an example. A little tweak equals a huge difference. And here's the bonus tip. Rule 10. Create a feedback loop. Don't just say thank you and walk away. Ask it to refine its own answer. Try, can you improve your previous response by making it more concise? Or, now explain it like I'm 10 years old. It's like having a personal coach that edits itself. Magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Join the AI revolution with us, only on JustAISpace.